If you like the video, please subscribe Technical PCT channel and click the bell icon to get the latest videos.
This is what the data given. Here is the deuteron, here is alpha particle. Given that they are separated by the distance 10 to the power of minus 10 meter, 1 angstrom. Due to this deuteron and alpha particle, what is the intensity of electric field? See here, due to deuteron and alpha particle, where is alpha particle? At a distance r. Due to this Q1, what is the electric field here? This is what they are asking. Due to this deuteron, its charge is what? 1e. Then, due to this deuteron, at this point, at the location where alpha particle is present, at this point, intensity E1 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R square. What is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught? 9 into 10 power 9. What is Q1? 1e. 1 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 by R square. R is what? 10 power minus 10 meter. 10 power minus 10 whole square. Right? Then 9 into 10 power 9, 10 power minus 19 gives 10 power minus 10, 9 minus 19, minus 10 into 1.6 by 10 power minus 20, right? Here 10 power minus 20, can we write 10 power minus 10 into 10 power minus 10? 1 10 power minus 10 get cancelled. Then what is your answer? 1.6 into 9. How much it is? 1.44. Right? 14.4 it is. 9 into 1.6, 14.4. This 10 power minus 10 goes up. 10 power plus 10. So you can write it as 1.44 into 10 power 11 Newton per Coulomb. This is the answer. Next, 21st problem. 21st problem. Okay. See the problem what is given. 2 point charges Q and minus 3Q. Q and minus 3Q are placed at some distance apart. If the electric field at the location of Q is E, at the location of Q, electric field is E. The field at the location of minus 3Q is what? At the location of minus 3Q, electric field is what? This is the question. See, what is given? 2 point charges Q and minus 3Q are placed at some distance. Some distance are as shown in here, Q minus 3Q. And what is asked? If the electric field at the location of Q is E, at the location of this Q, electric field is E. At the location of minus 3Q, what is electric field? That is asked. Okay. See, at the location of Q, here, electric field is due to what? Due to this charge. Which charge this is? Negative charge. Negative charge means what is the direction of the electric field? In this direction. Right? First, whenever we are solving problems like this, we must see the direction of the electric field also. As it is negative, intensity is towards the charge. So E direction is this one. And what is E dash? See, at the location of minus 3q, means here, field is due to q. It creates field here. What charge this is? Positive charge. Field direction, outward or inward? Outward. So here, field direction is outward. E dash. See here, how both are? E is also in this direction. E dash is also in this direction. Right? If both are in the same direction, if this is positive, this is also positive. If you see the answers, you have two positive answers, two negative answers. So answer must be what? Given that E is positive, then E dash is also positive. So in answer, positive answer. What is E dash in terms of E? This E is what? E at location of Q intensity due to which charge? Minus 3 E. We know when this distance is same, intensity is directly proportional to the charge 3q. You may get it out. Sir, here you don't take negative, sir. Why, sir? Based on this negative or positive, we assign the directions. But whenever you are solving problems, there is no need of taking it. Okay? E is proportional to 3q. At location of minus 3q, intensity due to what? Q. Means that you take it as E dash proportional to Q. Now take E dash by E, E dash by E, Q by 3Q, Q get cancelled. Then E dash is E by 3. Is it plus or minus? This is positive. E dash positive because E and E dash are in same direction. I hope this is clear. Right? Don't confuse while doing the problem. In the location of Q, field is due to that charge, another charge. In the location of minus 3Q, field is due to this charge. This is 1 point and negative 2 words. And as this is positive, away. Right? Next. Come on. Note down. 22nd, we discuss again. 23rd problem. 22nd, we discuss again. 23rd, it is a little problem. Right? Again. 23rd. Problem number 23. See what is given there? Two charges, 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9 coulomb and minus 16 into 10 to the power of minus 9 coulomb are separated by a distance 20 centimeter in A. The position of the neutral point from the small charge. Right? What are the charges? Four into 10 to the power of minus 9 coulomb, minus 16 into 10 to the power of minus 9 coulomb. Let's take it as Q1, take this one as Q2. Two charges. They are separated by how much distance? Distance between them, 20 centimeter. What asked you? What asked the question? The position of the neutral point from the small charge. From this small charge, where is the neutral point? Neutral point means null point. Already we know to find the null In the question they asked from the smaller charge. So this is the smaller charge, 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9. First thing, unlike charges, null point or neutral point lies outside. So this is D. So distance of null point from smaller charge. What is the direct formula we can take? There is a direct formula. D by root over Q2 by Q1 minus 1. Yes or no? If it lies at outside. If lies in between, this is plus 1. Lies at outside, minus 1. Direct formula you can take. D is what? 20 by root over. Q2 is what? 16. Q1 is what? 4 minus 1. 16 by 4. 4. Root over 4, 2. Right? 2 minus 1, 1. Answer is 20 centimeter. Right? That is the answer. So whenever you are dealing with null points, acting vertically upwards, if the tension in the string is 520 millinewton, the charge on the sphere is what? Charge on the sphere is what? Right? See here, a sphere of mass 50 gram. A sphere of mass 50 gram is suspended by a string. In an electric field of intensity 5 Newton per Coulomb, acting vertically upward. This E is acting vertically upward. If the tension in the string is 520 millinewton, in this string, tension 520 millinewton, the charge on the sphere is what? Weight is mg. 50 gram, 10 power minus 3, g value 10. What happens to this? 500, 10 power minus 3 millinewton weight. But here the tension is given how much? 520 millinewton. Means this tension is more than weight. When it is possible, electric field is also force due to electric field is also acting downwards. Tension is equal to mg plus EQ, right? Weight plus force due to electric field. If both act down, then this tension is more than weight. Is the point clear? Whenever this type of problems given, you have to see this tension and this weight. If electric field is not acting, force due to electric field, tension should be equal to this. But it is given more than. Means force due to electric field is also acting down. When it is possible, field is acting up, force due to electric field should act down. Means opposite to the direction of the electric field. For which charge? Force is opposite for negative charge. So, in answer, charge is negative. One thing is clear. Next, how much this charge is? This is what they are asking. How much that charge is? See, EQ is equal to T minus mg. Then Q is equal to T minus mg by E. Right? You solve it, you'll get the answer. (520 minus 500 milli 10 power minus 3 by E is what? 5. Solve it, you'll get the answer. 4 into 10 power minus 3 Coulomb. Right? Okay, students. One thing, for Monday's exam, Sunday exam, for Sunday's exam in our electrostatics, the portion is again from the beginning of Coulomb's law to force acting on a charged particle in the electric field up to here, right? Some of the examples I discussed, small formulas on the concept, formula based related problems from the beginning Coulomb's law to force acting on a charged particle in the electric field up to there. If possible, you just go through the problems up to 36 if you have books. If you don't have, nothing to worry. You go through the syllabus, what we taught. Almost all the problems are within the reason of what we discussed, right? In next class, we discuss some more problems. And one thing, yesterday we got the NEET examination date for your seniors. The date given when? July 26th. Means we cannot expect reopening of the college before that. So the expectation of reopening of colleges is August. So it is a caution to us. We had to concentrate more on these classes. Till now, what we are thinking, the college may reopen by June, by July, and we are thinking of. But now the signals from the government is by August. So there is no possibility to go detailed revision of the total syllabus what we are covering now. So you must be careful. You note down all the things, take the notes properly, and think that these are the regular classes, right? Okay, students, good luck. See, portion what I told you, we'll send you portions from the beginning of the chapter, Coulomb's law and everything again, to intensity of electric field and force acting on a charged particle in the electric field. Okay, thank you. We revise the problems. These 2-3 problems you missed now. Either we'll send you the video. We try to send video to you people. Nothing to worry. Thank you.